Question 29. In retrospect, one of the lessons of the 2003 Human Genome Project is that gene is affected by many factors. Gene is affected by many factors. Its interactions with the protein products of other genes. So there was some kind of learning from this genome project back in 2003. On the following sentence, rather than just focusing on Human Genome Project, it sounds like it's continuing with the same idea. Efforts to better understand gene mutations related to disease have begun to consider human proteome. This is a new element that was followed by this efforts to better understand. 4 choices we have here. This is reiterating, and this is qualifying or conceding a previous. When you choose something like that said here, okay, in case that you did choose that said is a transition that acknowledges the previous statement but shifts to a slightly different or even opposing idea using that said. And as you can see, we're still on course with focusing on human genome from our Human Genome Project. So that said will not work here. For example, is not appropriate. So let's see how our answer choice accordingly fits into this context. After we learn the lessons, after we have the lessons that gene is affected by many factors, not the least of which is interactions with the protein products of other genes, accordingly, there have been efforts to better understand. So as a result of the genome project, accordingly, there were efforts to better understand that led to considering human proteome, which is the complete set of proteins expressed by human genes. So accordingly is the correct answer for 29.